Alright guys, it looks like we are back again with another Shiba Inu video. Welcome back to SHIB Planet everyone. This is Ace. Okay, let's get right to it. Guys, Shiba Inu has just continued to defy expectations and reach a new all-time high by breaking its previous market cap of 17 billion. We're now at 18 billion in market cap, still ranked at number 12. Currently at a price of 4639 according to coin market cap, which is absolutely phenomenal. This is actually the new all-time high, and I think we've actually gone a little bit higher, and it looks like at this stage it looks like we're rallying for the 5,000 unit mark, which is absolutely fantastic. And this is not only happening for Shiba Inu it's also happening for the rest of the SHIB ecosystem. But we'll just have a quick look at the chart here. For most of the day, we've been experiencing consolidation, but there has been heavy. If you have looked on the blockchain, there's been lots of high volume transactions in the billions of SHIB throughout today, and that's helped sustain a lot of this price. We'll just have a quick look at the rest of the ecosystem. Dogecoin is up 12% on the day, and Bone is now above $2, trading at 206, which is up 10% of the day. So the whole ecosystem is thriving at the moment. But obviously, the star of the show is Shiba Inu, which continues to defy expectations. That's absolutely phenomenal. So what I've done is I've just updated my simulators just to show you my exact position at the moment. This is the current price of Shiba Inu for for SHIB, for Leash, I've just updated, and for Bone as well, I've updated it. And this is where my current portfolio stands at the moment. It's standing at about 37,943 USD, and that is absolutely phenomenal. This portfolio, I think at cost, it was probably close to probably 5,000. So it's gone up tremendously since then. And it's made up of obviously SHIB, Leash, and Bone, and I've got two Shiboshis. I think I'll show you the Shiboshis which I've got. As you know, I purchased two Shiboshis at the launch, and they're actually worth about, you'd be surprised, like they're worth close to 5,000 each for a Shiboshi. If you were to tell me a year ago that I'd have two pixelated images of Shiba Inus and they're worth 5,000, I would have thought that you were crazy. But that's the reality which we have right now, guys. And that's one of the benefits for actually having items within the Shiba Inu ecosystem, because when SHIB pumps, the flow-on effect will happen to pretty much everything within the ecosystem. I'd like to think of SHIB as kind of like a Bitcoin of the SHIB ecosystem, and it tends to start pulling things up, and that's exactly what's happening at the moment. So you might be wondering, why has this been happening? So well, there's probably a lot of reasons, but if I look on chain, I just did a quick snapshot of the blockchain. At the moment, about close to 2.5 trillion SHIB have been purchased within the last 12 hours. So that within the last half a day, 2.5 trillion. And I've been able to pinpoint that to the biggest balance has actually come from a certain wallet which has split about exactly 2 million SHIB across 5 wallets. That's this wallet here, this wallet here, this one. They pretty much the exact same amount of SHIB. See this one here, about 49 billion. And if I skip to the other one here, also 49 billion. So there's been a lot of purchases and transfers of SHIB which has been happening, and that's actually quite phenomenal. So I didn't want to make this into a long video. I just wanted to show you a quick update of my portfolio. So where to from here? SHIB at the moment, it looks like we're really gunning for that 20 billion market cap. I know I did a simulation recently where I said that towards the end of October, which is we're going to get there, and that certainly seems to be coming true at the moment, guys. We're at 18 billion, and at this rate, it looks like it's very strong that we could get there. So just for interest sake, let's just take us there, and let's just see what my portfolio would look like, maybe in November and then maybe December. I'm just going to pump this a couple, maybe 23. So at this rate, if the momentum continues with Shiba Inu, then it's likely that we could even be in the early 23 billions as we head towards Dogecoin's market cap. Shiba Inu currently has strong potential to flip Doge, and for reasons which we've outlined so many times on this channel, that the utility within the SHIB ecosystem is incredibly strong. And yeah, that's one of the main reasons. Okay, so let's just quickly jump and see what we can do for December. So if by my projections, I do think that as Bitcoin continues to pump, it's very likely that that SHIB could probably even reach half of the market cap which Dogecoin hit at its in the previous one. So, and I think I'm being very conservative because I'm not even taking into consideration all the utility which is in SHIB at the moment. So let's just see what we can do. I'm just going to try and take us to at the very least 45 billion. I do think SHIB is can do a lot better than that, but just for interest's sake, I'm just going to take it randomly there. So close to 44 billion and at that stage. And I think what I'm also going to do for Leash had an all-time high of 10,000. So if this environment continues, there is no reason why Leash shouldn't reach its all-time high or even surpass it. Leash is going to be given additional utility, and in fact, it already has some utility as well in terms of being a listing fee for on Shiba Swap, and also being the main currency for purchasing NFTs. And I'm pretty sure that there's going to be additional utility announced for SHIB as hinted by Satoshi. So at the very least, let's take this one to its all-time high. So in order to do that, let's see where Leash will go. I'm just going to see if we can take us at least maybe to 10,000 round about yeah, maybe December. So I'll just do that. Yeah, okay, so we've got Leash now at this price, 10,000. And as for Bone is hard to predict at the moment because Bone is still being minted. But you know, if the momentum carries on, you know, I wouldn't be surprised if Bone gets back to $3. I remember shortly after it launched, after Shiba Swap, it settled around about the $3 mark. And Bone has very strong potential because this is the native token for Shiba Swap. So it has a strong potential once everything like to be even to flip Uniswap, you know, because Bone is the governance token of Shiba Swap. So let's see where we can take this. I'm just gonna try and maybe if I triple this, maybe that'll be too much. That's even if we just double. Even if we double it and then we increase the circulating supply because more is going to get minted. So yeah, so best case scenario, if it's able to double, that certainly can happen. And remember, this is such a low market cap. It's actually very easy for most popular tokens to be able to jump about a few hundred million. So I think I'm still also being conservative. So having said all this, so let's have a look at and see what my portfolio would look like at this stage. This would mean by December I'll be probably about 84k. If that happens. And by the way, guys, this is just a simulation. It's not a prediction. It's just me having fun with the numbers. And one thing I have not considered is the Shiboshis. The Shiboshis are directly tied with Ethereum at the moment because you can buy them on Ethereum. The current floor price is about just over one Ethereum, and Ethereum is earmarked to reach about 5,000. So what I'll do to factor in Ethereum's price, which is likely to go up to about 5,000, and I'll also factor in that the fact that Shiboshis are going to increase in floor price. I might just multiply by maybe 1.75, and it's likely that my two Shiboshis may be worth 16k, which will bring my portfolio to just over 90k, which is absolutely phenomenal. So once again, this is just a simulation, me playing with the figures. And yeah, looks like that's what Shiba Inu is doing at the moment, guys. I just wanted to give you a quick update. Shiba Inu is absolutely pumping, and that is awesome. So thank you very much for watching, guys. I will prepare another video with some other explainer style content shortly. And if you guys are interested in running your own simulations, as you know, I've released my set of crypto simulators, and you can just look at the links which I've left in the description below, and there's a demo video to show you how I actually use the software. So thanks very much for watching, guys. I'll check you out next time. This is Ace. Peace.